Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Yashpal. Friends, today I'm going to talk about the easiest way to learn and speak English language. Many people who used to talk in other languages except English, they think English is a language that is very difficult, but they are wrong. This is not a correct way. I don't have a partner to practice English with, but still I am confident enough to speak in this language. Still I am fluent to speak in this language. So do you think still you need someone to have a practice with to be fluent and confident? No, this is not the case. So let's start about the easiest way to learn and speak this English language. So you have to do few things. The first one is that learn vocabulary. Every day try to learn at least 5 English new words and keep learning this journey for a longer period of time so that your foundation of vocabulary would become so strong that you can have much ideas about English. And the next important step is that have a little bit knowledge of tenses, because unless and until you learn tenses, you won't be able to combine the words to make a wonderful sentence. So the first step to learn a language is build your vocabulary. Then the second step is that have a good knowledge of the tenses, and the third one is have a practice. So you don't need anyone to practice with. First start with yourself. Try to practice with yourself, just like I'm talking to myself, because I'm recording this video but I have no one to talk to. So I'm talking with myself, I'm listening myself, so I'm talking with myself. So same thing you can do with yourself, and I guarantee you by following these steps you can be confident, fluent and good English speaker. But never quit this journey in between. You have to make these 3 steps part of your life. First, vocabulary. Every day learn 5 words at least. 2, learn tenses. 3, have a practice every day. At least practice for 5 minutes and continue this journey for a longer period of time, and then you would see that you are a good English speaker. So this is how you can start your journey. If you are a beginner, this is the easiest way to learn a language. So you don't worry, just follow these 3 steps to be confident and fluent English speaker. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.